Asked about the, I'll do it. So the gauge. Someone asked about the badge. All right. Standard count. All right, we're gonna step away. That's about it.
Quick when I hit the notches?
No.
No. Okay.
Yeah. This is one of those things they do differently in the ASTM and when you're supposed to. So the ASTM says you mark your holes like that so you can basically find the bore hole. Everyone I've ever seen use this thing in the field sticks it out a little bit. Now when you do that, basically you've exposed the source.
Right.
Or the strand comes through like a snake and gets us off.
Yeah. Like, if it hits me first, then it goes away. At least we won't have to worry about our final.
Hey, Will.
All right. So there's different settings. You can pick the time, and you can pick the depth. So you have to select the depth. Now some of these gauges are smart and they've got they know what position they're at. Some of these gauges, like this one, you actually have to tell it, you know. So I'm at 4 inches. Okay, and it's all right. Well, I didn't mean to do that. I already started it, so forgot that.
Non-dense sand.
This is silt and. So there's 2 big sources of air for this lab. One, if you're not careful when you excavate and you lose material, you're going to get an artificially low. The second is, if I take this, you know, I'm out on a big project site, I fill this up at 7 in the morning, I put it in the back of my pickup truck in Arizona, it's 110 degrees, and I let it sit there for 6 hours before I go back to the lab. It's sealed, yeah, but if it's not quite sealed, is the moisture content going to be the same as it was in the ground?
Right.
You're gonna.
Alright.
Don't lose solids, Cyrus.
Correct. We cannot lose solids. Definitely pretty
I
awesome.
wonder what you do when you hit roots.
Well, you supposed, like he said, you're
Keep
supposed
it in
to.
there.
Ideally, there wouldn't be.
Right. Ideally, you wouldn't have any.
Put it
'cause
in
you're-
there.
Should I keep it in there?
Yeah, it's part of the density of the soils.
Okay.
All right. We cap that back off.